So first thing first, let's load the dataset into our Power BI notebook. So it's going to take some time. So as you can see, yeah. So this is the dataset which we are going to visualize. So let's click on load. Okay, so as you can see, our dataset is being uploaded over here. So let's build our first visualization. But before that, let's change the canvas background color to gray. Okay. So now let's build cards first. Okay. Okay. So this is the card. Let's have closing price. Let's depict average closing price. Category label off. Going to general, title on, average closing price. Okay. Now let's going to Arial black. Let's change the effects. Okay. Uh, Making it white. Okay. All perfect, I guess. Keep aligning it. Visual border on, shadow on. Making it white. Making it white. 20 px. Okay. Going to, okay. Making it Arial black. Okay. Now it's all good, I guess. Let's have, let's copy it. Okay. So here in the next card, we can have volume, sum of volume, trading volume, which is close to 2 billion. Total trading volume. Okay. So in the next one, we can have maximum closing price. Let's rename it highest closing price. Okay. Highest. Okay. Done. So now let's come to visualizations. Let's build our first visualization, which is going to be line chart. Okay. Uh, let's have date again in the x-axis, just by year only, and in the y-axis we can have closing price on an average, stock price, closed trend over the time. And let's revamp it a bit. Okay. Visual border on, shadow on, making it white. Okay. Making it white. Okay. x-axis values of, title of. Okay. Y-axis, title of, values of, lines. Let's have it white. Okay. And let's have title white, Arial black, keeping it aligned, and stock price trend over time. Okay. Okay, now let's copy it, build over here. In the second one, let's have clustered column chart, which gonna depict volume sum. Okay, and in the column, let's have it white. Perfect. Now let's have area chart, and date is there. Let's have high and low, and average of it. Okay, now going over here, going to lines, changing color to white, changing color to white. Okay, forgot to change the title. Trading volume over time. Price volatility. Okay, now let's have our final chart, which is going to be combo chart uh, of line and clustered column chart. So here I can have date. I've already have. Let's show volume in column y-axis, and let's show close in line y-axis. Let's show average of it. Okay, so let's change the color a bit. Okay, hmm. Okay, now we are done, I guess, for the most part. Okay, okay, done. So now let's add a slicer over here. Let's show date. Let's show it by hierarchy, and slicer header of slicer setting. Let's go to drop down and make it white. Perfect. Okay, now let's add a few PNGs, give a more aesthetic appeal. So over here, I think. Okay, values white. Make it white. Okay. Now let's change the aesthetic appeal. Make it a bit more hip. Going to image. Let's add Okay, a few PNGs which I've already selected. Uh, okay, that's it, I guess. This is our final dashboard. Okay, see you in the next tutorial.